After interviewing Kathy and visiting the Helping Hands location, I realized just how important it is that teachers and school districts be aware of each and every student's background. We need to make sure that we are identifying families that may need assistance in providing food or clothing. We also need to be well versed in programs that our schools have to provide assistance to families in need. Specifically, at my school, we have our free and reduced breakfast and lunch programs, and we also have a weekend snack pack program. To apply this information in my classroom, one thing that I am interested in doing is partnering with organizations for service learning projects for my fifth graders. We have students at our school that we actually do send to the Helping Hands location, and Kathy will help them with food and clothing. So, one thing that I would like to do is start either like a donation jar or possibly do like a food drive where we can send supplies to Kathy for her to use with the Helping Hands location so we can give back. Additionally, some of our students put together the weekend snack packs at their local churches on Sundays. So I think that would be something that my students would enjoy as well. So any opportunity that I can find that would provide my fifth graders the opportunity to give back to the community.